First, open Ideogram AI and sign in to your account. To create marketing images, start by deciding what product, service, or campaign you want to promote. Before generating anything, identify the main message you want the image to communicate. For example, if you're promoting a new smartphone, you might want a premium product advertisement showing the phone on a modern surface with dramatic lighting, clean typography, and a professional commercial appearance. Now open the image generation area and write a detailed marketing prompt. Describe the product or subject first. Then add the background, lighting, colors, composition, text, and overall advertising style. If you want specific words in the image, include the exact wording in your prompt and explain where you want the text positioned. Next, choose the appropriate aspect ratio based on where you plan to use the marketing image. You might need a landscape design for a website banner, a portrait design for social media, or another format for a specific advertising platform. Review the available model and style settings, then generate several variations. When the results appear, compare them carefully. Look for a design that communicates the marketing message quickly and makes the product or service stand out. Check the text, colors, contrast, composition, and overall visual quality. If the result is too complicated, simplify your prompt. If the product doesn't stand out enough, ask for a cleaner background or stronger visual contrast. You can also create multiple variations for different parts of the same campaign while keeping the overall brand style consistent. Once you find the best result, use the available editing or remixing tools to make final adjustments.